you know.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, because he won't be popular, will he?
No.
And
they seem like good guys.
Exactly. You know.
They don't want to. They came in on Monday and just had a look. Because he saw the water. There was a hole in the roof.
And the water.
And he came in and tried to seal up.
Yeah, we've had a lot of rain. Yeah.
He said, "I think there's water dripping down. It's dripping down the back of your water tank." But obviously, didn't realise it was the water tank.
It's the water tank as well. Yeah. Well, at least you do things properly. You don't just have one leak. You have two, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
We don't do things by half.
No, for sure. Okay. Right. Let's get this. I need to put some blue tape around there, didn't I? That one's still live. That one's live. I don't know where that one's going either. And over there. Yeah, I think we can just probably spend a few hours up there, mate, cutting out pipe work, to be honest with you. Let's do that. Right, let's pull this lid back on. Best we can. Let's knock this crap over. There, Mayfair. It's not ideal. There we go. Yeah. Let's do that, mate. Alrighty. Take the photos. I've got to take a photo. I should. And I'll tell you what I'm going to quickly do as well. There's so much in that tank. While I'm here. Yeah. Oh, it's nearly. It's about. We're nearly there. Probably an hour left. Maybe. Yeah, so probably about an hour or so left of that emptying.
Okay.
It's about a little under halfway now. So yeah, quite a bit of water, right? Yeah.
Ridiculous.
But yeah, so I'll pop back tomorrow. I'll give you guys you in, are you? You
Yeah,
going?
we both work.
You're both in, yeah. I'll give you guys a ring then before I pop over. I think I am tomorrow. I think I'm local again, so there's a result. Right, let me put all this rubbish on the van. Then I'll get you to sign. We'll go through our hand gel routine. Keep you safe. And yeah, so once that stops,
Yeah.
just chuck the hose in the bath. And then I'll disconnect it tomorrow.
Brilliant.
Yeah?
Thank you very much.
No, not a problem. We're here to help, not
We
to...
don't need my little water collection.
Yeah, it looks like it has stopped dripping up there, so touch wood, that means the hole's quite far up on the tank itself, so that's a bonus.
Well, it's been like 3 or 4 streams running continually like since yesterday, and it's stopped for the first time in a week and a half.
Yeah.
So I'd say that's a win.
Yeah, exactly. We'll take our wins where we find them, brother.
Yeah.
For sure. Right, let me get rid of this and that hose, and then I'll come back to the other stuff in one go.
Just leave the front door open.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, mate. My trusty steed. Cat, I wouldn't sit under there. Where'd he going? Wow. Spooky. Cats always look at you like they know something that you don't. What do you know? You're all sitting around watching something gonna fall on me. Okay. Let's
what we should do is, what I'll probably do is all the money I put in my account, we get it all in the joint account and just draw it all out of that, so we keep track of it all in one place.
Yeah, okay guys. Right, so here's a sticker for your boiler. You can just crack, I'll stick it on there. Right. And then don't touch it for 24 hours and then you're alright, mate.
Right, okay.
Do you want to grab your door for us and then I don't have to touch too much stuff that you're likely to touch. I'll put it up somewhere high because then if you fill the cupboard, you're going to see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's the office number. If you just ask for me, if I'm not in the office, they'll just patch you through to wherever I am.
Lovely.
Yeah, so that's that. And then I just need to take you through the signing ceremony.
Lovely. Okay.
Right, so if you want to wash your hands, I'm going to wipe down my phone. I always ask everyone, not met anyone yet, you're not allergic to bleaching or water, are you?
To what?
Bleach water?
No.
No, okay. No one said yes to that yet, and it's been a while. So basically what I do is wipe this down to make sure that it's all clean. I've got hand gel as well, and then you can either wash your hands or have some hand gel afterwards. Thanks again guys, I'm going to stop the video here. Thanks for your time as always. Click like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Certainly helps out with the YouTube algorithm, as a new channel, help us grow as well. And yeah, stay safe, see you on the next one, and you can have a bit of an outro to Tower Bridge for your troubles. See you on the next one guys.